Hello guys, welcome back po sa aking channel, Parak Tutorial Video. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung nakasaad po sa ating revised penal code. Yung tinatawag na classification of felonies and classification of penalties. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng classification of felonies and classification of penalties? Bakit natin ito pag-uusapan? Kasi mayroon po itong relasyon, koneksyon. So kung gusto nyong ipagpatuloy yung video na to, please stay tuned lang po sa aking channel, Parak Tutorial Videos. Classification of felonies. Makikita natin yan sa Article 9 ng ating Revised Penal Code. On the other hand, classification of penalties ay makikita naman natin yan sa Article 25 ng ating Revised Penal Code. Okay, now, pag sinabi nating classification of felonies, tatlo po yan. Una, grave felonies, less grave felonies, and light felonies. Ulitin ko po, grave felonies, less grave felonies, and light felonies. Okay? Pag sinabi nating classification of penalties, ay apat po yan. Una, capital punishment or penalties. Pangalawa, afflictive penalties. Pangatlo, correctional penalties. At yung pang-apat is light penalties. Ano yung koneksyon nila sa isa't isa? Yung classification of felonies and then the classification of penalties. Okay, guys, upang lubos po nating maunawaan yung ating video ngayon, no, unahin natin yung tinatawag na classification of felonies. Diba sinabi ko kanina, the classification of felonies ay nahahati po ito sa tatlong bahagi. Unahin natin yung pinakamataas, yung grave felonies. The grave felonies are felonies which the law attaches capital punishment and afflictive penalties. Yung capital punishment sa Revised Penal Code ay hindi na po death penalty. Noong una, death penalty. Ngayon, hindi na po death penalty. Kasi yung death penalty was suspended, hindi abolished. Kasi sinasabi po ng special law na Republic Act 9346 prohibit the imposition of death penalty. Okay? Then, what is afflictive? Ang afflictive penalties mula po sa reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, and presyon mayor. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinaka-period ng penalties is from 6 years and 1 day to 40 years imprisonment. That is afflictive penalties. Plus, kasama or dagdag pa ng fine exceeding to 1.2 million pesos. Punta tayo sa less grave felonies. Ano po yung less grave felonies? Are felonies which the law attaches the maximum penalties, no, na yung maximum period are correctional, no. Ibig sabihin from presyon correctional down to aresto mayor. Ulitin ko po from presyon correctional down to aresto mayor. Ibig sabihin yung pinaka duration of penalties is from 1 month and 1 day to 6 years imprisonment. Yan yung less grave felonies. Plus fine not less than 40,000 pesos but not exceeding 1.2 million pesos. So I hope po naintindihan po natin. So now, punta tayo sa pinaka last na bahagi, yung pinakamaliit na classification of felonies. That is light felonies. Are those which infraction of the law, in which yung commission of which, no, yung pinaka-penalty nito is aresto minor. Ano yung aresto minor? 1 day to 30 days imprisonment. No? And fine not exceeding 40,000 pesos. So sana po ay marami po kayong nakuhang kalaman sa ating vlog content ngayon. And hanggang sa muli po, kita-kits po tayo for my next video. This is your Parak tutorial video at nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal sa aking YouTube channel. So maraming salamat po and mabuhay po kayo. Signing off.